Psalm 8, the Lord's glory and man's dignity. To the chief musician, set to a Philistine lute, or perhaps to a particular Hittite tune. A Psalm of David. O Lord, our Lord, how majestic and glorious and excellent is your name in all the earth. You have displayed your splendor above the heavens. Out of the mouths of infants and nursing babes you have established strength because of your adversaries, that you might silence the enemy and make the revengeful cease. When I see and consider your heavens, the work of your fingers, the moon and the stars which you have established, what is man that you are mindful of him, and the son of earthborn man that you care for him? Yet you have made him a little lower than God, and you have crowned him with glory and honor. You have made him to have dominion over the works of your hands. You have put all things under his feet, all sheep and oxen, and also the beasts of the field, the birds of the air, and the fish of the sea, whatever passes through the paths of the seas. O Lord, our Lord, how majestic and glorious and excellent is your name in all the earth.